What are some of the important elements of NFPA 241's construction fire safety plan? As discussed in previous Underwriters Corner articles and their corresponding videos, fires in buildings under construction or renovation are an ongoing problem often caused by electric ignition from power equipment and heat sources with inadequate clearances to combustibles. Combustibles can come from discarded wall and ceiling finishes and are produced during the construction process. In those previous articles, we noted that hot work, such as cutting or welding, can be sources of ignition when done too close to unsecured combustible materials. NFPA 241, Standard for Safeguarding Construction, Alteration, and Demolition Operations, has developed the Construction Fire Safety Plan, or CFSP. The plan is a site-specific documented program for safeguarding construction, alteration, and demolition operations against fire risks. The site owners or managers are responsible for ensuring a plan is in place and enforced. The fire protection manager is responsible for developing, managing, and overseeing the plan. Contractors and workers are responsible for executing the plan on site. The authority having jurisdiction, or AHJ, is responsible for reviewing and approving the plan and ensuring compliance. Thanks for watching Underwriters Corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on LinkedIn for more helpful insurance knowledge from MSO.